Hi, let's start with the converting. The question is, does this pixel image work for mosaic or not? The answer is no, absolutely no. It can only work for cross stitch or tapestry crochet. Doesn't matter if I put here X symbols or not, it doesn't work for mosaic. Let's try to convert it into mosaic using Stitch Fiddle program. First of all, I'm defining where I want to have blue rows. I put it on full screen view. I will check every row each by each, starting with the bottom. The first 3 rows are okay. Here, this group of blue cells, this column, cannot start in white row. That means the first bottom cell in blue column can only be in blue row, and this is the first rule. The cells number 3, 5, 7, etc. in one column are usually double crochets. According to the first rule, these 2 cells are also blue. These 2 cells should be white, because we always have odd number of cells in one column. And this is the second rule. Now I'm making some correction according these 2 rules, and I repeat. Each vertical group of cells begins in its own color row, and the column contains odd number of cells. I have to add white color with X symbol for white double crochets. I'm copying bottom element to the top and mirror it vertically. How to begin creating mosaic chart and the main functions of Stitch Fiddle you can see in my previous video. But now double crochets are on the wrong place. Now vertical elements are okay, but not the horizontal. I would try to draw the same at the right side. Actually, I have a problem here, because according to the mosaic rules, I can only draw something like a blue rectangle here with a white square inside. To my mind, it looks strange. I'm pretty sure you are bored of watching my manipulations, but that's the way it is. Yes, I need to start over and be more creative. I will draw almost a new leaf. I've made a little bit more space on the right and draw a new element according to the rules. Now we can leave it as it is, but I want this pattern to be symmetric in all directions. Now the chart works for mosaic, and I just have to put the double crochet symbols where they should be. And it's very easy. The first bottom cell of each vertical group of cells is always single crochet, and the third, first, seventh, etc. cells are always double crochets. And let's compare the original picture and the result. To my mind, they are very different. Like this video if you find it useful, and thanks for watching.